Hi, my name is James O'Daniel, and I'm a graduate student at Miami University. I'm pursuing a master's degree in instructional design and technology, and here's a quick presentation of my 21st Century Learning Environment website, Learning is Fun. The goal of this site is to be a resource educators can use to learn more about the technological tools that can be used to assist them in classroom instruction. We'll start the tour on the homepage, which welcomes you to the site and gives you a little bit of information about my background. The next page is my philosophy page, and it details my philosophy on teaching and learning. I believe teaching is a partnership between the teacher and the student, in which a teacher acts as a guide, and the student is ultimately responsible for learning. The student should take an active role in the learning process. The next page talks about my blog, which is Teaching with Social Media. The aim of the blog is to explore social media tools and how to integrate them into teaching and learning. Each blog post discusses the application, the type of learning you can have from it, the learning experience, and then how it can be integrated into the classroom. The next few pages discuss these specific technological tools that I reviewed for the website, and each page will provide the name of the tool, an overview of the tool, how to use instructions, give you some assessment strategies, provide troubleshooting tips, best practice, my usage experience, and it'll also include a feedback survey so we can see if how we did with that. The first tool that I reviewed was Kahoot, and Kahoot, for those not familiar with it, is a game-based learning platform that allows users to create and play quizzes. Users do have the option to play solo in groups, or you can even play in teams. The next tool I discussed and reviewed was the MergeCube. And MergeCube is an augmented reality tool that transforms a physical cube that you can see right there. It transforms the physical cube into 3D holograms, and it allows for a hands-on interactive experience. You can pair the cube with a variety of apps that are offered, covering a wide range of topics from educational activities to games. And the pairing actually determines what kind of 3D holographic image the cube will become and what type of interactive experience you will have with it. The last tool I discussed or reviewed was Google Expeditions. And this is part of the Google Arts and Culture. And Expeditions is an interactive platform that allows you to experience a virtual field trip using 360-degree and 2D imagery. Subject areas include science, technology, arts, geography, natural history, and history. You're able to pick the subject, and then you are also able to look at the collection of experiences that are offered. Information is presented through text and images, and most of the tours do offer the 360 viewing capability. And tours typically will point out historic facts, events, interesting places, and then also important artifacts. The last page of my site is just a summary of the motivation behind the site, and that's namely that technology enhances the learning experience, and then accessibility to these types of tools, or the awareness that these tools are out there, should be available to all students. Thank you very much for your time in viewing and listening to my presentation. Thank you.